We're trying to let a firework in rain.
Alright, you ready, Sam?
We gotta run this way. Over to the golf cart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go!
Oh no. Woo! That wasn't supposed to happen. Woo!
Yeah, I think you put it in backwards.
That was awesome. Yeah, it's done. It exploded.
Maybe. Here, take this.
That's sweet. Just a little lighter caused it. This is sweet. This is...
It hopped rocks. I had it set up right here.
Cool, yo.
Here, just to add to the effect.
You're gonna put that in there?
Where's the lighter at?
In my pocket?
I have it.
Yeah.
Just to add, just a little.
You gonna stick it in there?
We can do that, or we can throw it in the water.
Do you want to take a chance of throwing it in the water?
I do kind of too.
Okay. Set it up. Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, you should look at the water. It looks sick.
Well, that's it.